TV people! So this is the local authority bungalow we've done a refurbishment for, and we are going to go next door because with us being builders we make noise, we have to make mess to do our job, and sometimes the neighbours get the rough end of it, obviously with dust, have to do a bit more cleaning up and whatever. So we're going to go and give them some little presents to say thank you. And that's a bit different. And here's Sean.
Hi.
She's from the office and she's going to come and present these lovely neighbours with a little bit of a thank you. Now I have previously knocked on, so I have got their permission to do this, by the way. But I haven't told them what I'm going to do. I feel like grot bags. There's somebody at the door.
Hi.
Hello. How are we?
Are you coming in?
We don't have to come in. I don't want to intrude. So, as I explained, we just wanted to come and say sorry for any mess we may have made, any noise.
Oh, no, you haven't put us out at all.
Right, okay, that's lovely.
They're great, aren't they, really? They're good men.
The good man?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got a compliment there. Oh, compliment people, compliment. What did you think of the lads? Did you speak to them?
Fabulous, yeah.
Were they well mannered?
Very. They were, yeah. They really were.
Really?
Yeah.
Could they do anything better?
No.
No?
No, they wouldn't.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
No, when you think, oh God, this bungalow's been like a pain in the backside too much of the state it was in.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, there's all these men coming to do this, that, and the other. This is going to be a nightmare. But it wasn't. Absolutely wasn't.
Brilliant.
They didn't intrude on us at all, did they? Honestly, no, they didn't.
Excellent. There you go. Pulling fluff off you. Go then over to Sean. So
even though you had no problems, I just want to say thank you.
yeah, we are considerate.
Flowers.
There we go. We've got some wine and some flowers.
Oh, those are beautiful. Thank you so much.
But we just want to say thank you for everything and please understanding.
That's fine.
Being loud, messy,
No, they weren't
noisy.
loud.
Right, that's okay.
Not at all. I thought, oh God, they'll all turn up again with radios and they'll all be singing. But they do that sometimes.
Oh yeah, I do it too fair.
Do you?
Yeah.
No, they weren't. They were really good.
Lovely.
No
Well,
problem at all.
in that case then we'll leave you to the rest of your day and thank you very much.
So we're finished now.
Yes, we're finished. We're done.
But hard on.
Yep. On for the next one now.
On to the next one.
Lovely. Well, enjoy your flowers and enjoy your wine.
Oh, thank you. Very kind of you.
Hopefully we'll see you again sometime.
Thank you.
HIM TV people out.